We are students of Junior High School number 3, Junior High School number 4, and Senior High School number 3, which located in Tanjung Taring Village, North Dempo Subdistrict, Pagaralam City. We have to enjoy this path. There is no other choice except to embrace this moment. We may not to complain what God has written and given to our life, because it is a part of our journey, in order to make our dreams come true, to make our life better.
Kalian tetap selalu sehat dan semangat ya.
COVID-19 has changed a lot of things in our life, and so does our experiences. It creates different perspectives of how we see life, how we thank God and cherish every moment. It may be hard now, but indeed, there's always silver lining in every cloud. And one of those blessings is finding this time.
Ôi, để biết sinyal lagi ini nih. Coba apa?
Ya,
Coba aja mau di sinyal. Tunggu aku coba ya.
batok ini oi. Aku matain Pak.
Oh, aku mana meja ini, oi. Semangat, oi. Apa?
Ini lah sekolah oi.
Belum bisa sinyal lu apa?
Mana
ada?
Nengok belum,
Di pucuk ada sinyal lu.
Lah ada siapa?
Belum.
Suka lu
Belum bisa, oi.
sinyal tadi.
Mana masih sinyal. Nengok masih
Mana ada lupa
Belum
di
neon, kita no.
Bilangin aja.
No.
Lah ada Zah meninggal ini.
Masih
Aduh, ai. Panas no.
Lagi di pucuk.
Mana kita nih?
Pucuk sinyal.
Kecugong tuh.
The reason why do we have to climb this hill is not for getting some fun, but whether we like it or not, we have to do this in order to access internet connection. Staying in a remote area makes us difficult to access internet, since we need to do long-distance teaching and learning process during this outbreak, and one of the most important aspects that we need is a proper internet connection.
Karena guru itu tidak tentu dia ngirim tugas kapan. Jadi sama kawan-kawan, inilah setiap hari rutinitas kita.
Jadi kalau hujan gimana?
Kalau hujan kita cari tempat teduh, tapi sinyalnya itu nggak full kayak di sini, nggak. Koneksinya jelek.
We used to go to school favorably, even though we had to spend hours to reach our school from home. It was approximately 50 kilometers by motorcycle in 1 hour. I remember, school time can be fun, but now COVID-19 has changed our whole world, and this crisis can't be forgotten for the rest of our life. One day, we will share this journey to our kids, that there was a time that we could not do many things the way it used to be. COVID-19 also has given such a big impact to education in our country. Most governments around the countries have temporarily decided to close learning institutions, and students have been sent home to study and implement school from home.
Tidak seberuntung wong yang lain cak itu kan. Buat tugas di rumah cak itu, di kamar. Kami ini pengen pelok pak cak itu kan, cak wong di luar. Yo, cak itulah. Cuman pengennya sama cak wong di luar cak itu nah. Kami ini nak sekolah, nak jadi wong sukses cak itu.
Nah, ada sinyal. Sini
One day, we will tell our next generation of how we fight for our future. Even though we have to fight in this hill, only success continues because there is no other way around.
Sini Gioy.
Tentang dulu ke bawah. Nah, ada tugas coy. Ada. Ada tugas hukum. Awalnya banyaknya.
Tuh, gak banyak oi.
Kok tinggalan aku nih.
Video apa peno tadi? Wala ini ya. Wala bukumu ya Allah. Ini buku pinjaman.
Nah,
Ada sinyal boy.
Kami tiap hari ke Jorop ini kak untuk cari sinyal. Karena di rumah tuh tidak ketik sinyal kak. Mano nak kesini ini susah pula. Amun kami tidak ketik kendaraan, nak jalan pula kak kesini kak. Ya kak.
Jauh jadi dari rumahnya.
Jauh kak dari rumah ke sini.
Now we are on top of the hill. It's time for study online. School is kind of different now, but we are still grateful no matter what happened.
Banyak loh tugas kita nih ya.
kamera kimi
Gak absen kami. Banyak sinyal lu banyak panas no Tian, sekolah.
632
Sekolah nih on.
Baca kalau aku udah ini bu. Foto kan.
All of us will never get tired to climb this hill. As we look at this moment, as our efforts to survive, we need to move forward.
Nengkolak tinggalan ya.
As a future generation, we may not be defeated by this condition. Life may kick us down, but we have to come back stronger. Being on top of the hill is not easy as it looks. Sometimes, we are struggling to study under the sun. On the other hand, there will be times when we have to cover ourselves from heavy rain. If it has happened, our study process and learning activity will be interrupted.
Nah, sehubungan dengan mereka mendaki gunung untuk mencari sinyal itu memang di tempat itulah katanya sinyal itu yang paling kuat. Nah, kami pihak sekolah telah berusaha menyampaikan kepada siswa tersebut seandainya mereka mengalami kesulitan untuk mencari sinyal itu, kami menawarkan supaya mereka datang ke sekolah dan bisa menggunakan internet yang ada di sekolah.
We were born in this village, Tanjung Taring village. And our neighborhood is located in remote area. So, it is automatically that we are not able to access internet or phone call. Where in fact, our village is only 50 kilometers away from Pagaralam, and it is approximately 280 kilometers away from Palembang. the capital city of South Sumatra. Generally, there are 4 villages with 400 total population which are unable to access internet connection. Head of North Dempo Sub-District said that this village still unable to access proper internet connection.
Apalagi di masa pandemi itu sangat dibutuhkan untuk utamanya anak-anak baik anak SD maupun SMP untuk mengikuti program belajar sekarang. Jadi sangat-sangat susah, Pak. Bahkan sangat resah. Karena apa? Akhirnya anak-anak tidak bisa untuk mengikuti belajar, Pak.
Moreover, in our perspective, COVID-19 is not only a phenomenon, it changes the way we behave in daily basis. We have never imagined that there will be time when we are not allowed to go to school, but we have to study no matter what the situation is. We never imagined that we have to climb this hill early in the morning, just to see our friends and teachers through screen. It is obvious that nature also gives us many lessons as humankind. One thing for sure is that COVID-19 gives such big impact to our life. As a student, young generation, and a part of this world's population. This outbreak also widely opens our parents' perspective about technology. They have been living here for so long in this remote area, and there is not much things they know about technology and social media. Because our parents are not as busy as people in the city, since they only do farming for a living.
Masalahnya akses internet sinyal khususnya di daerah kita ini memang negatif, Pak. Itulah susahnya. Jadi makanya anak-anak tuh sekarang nih belajarnya di bukit situ.
Anak kami ini butuh nian pendidikan untuk masa depan dia kan. Ini kendalanya sinyal KT. Kalau hujan, kehujanan dia kan. Kalau panas, kepanasan. Sampai susahnya dia tuh cari sinyal.
Now they are awakened by the needs of technology, social media, internet connection, and the list goes on. It feels like searching for a light, a guidance in the darkness. We are still hoping for miracles to happen, that we will be able to live our life as the way it was, or even better.